we received two tire pressure sensors, one for the front wheel and one for the rear wheel. The new tire pressure sensor is equipped with a transparent insulating mylar sheet. First, we need to remove the insulating mylar sheet. Pull it out directly. After pulling it out, the recorder will be able to recognize our tire pressure sensors. Then cover the lid. At the lid, there is a waterproof rubber ring. Remember to tighten the lid to enhance the waterproof effect. You can use the accompanying tool wrench to assist in tightening the lid. Next, install the anti-theft nut on the tire valve. In the video, props are used to simulate the tire valve. First, screw the anti-theft nut clockwise onto the tire valve. Then, tighten the tire pressure sensor. After that, tighten the anti-theft nut counterclockwise. Also, use a wrench to assist in tightening the anti-theft nut. Tightening the nut ensures that the tire pressure sensor cannot be removed. At the same time, it also serves as an anti-theft measure. The tire pressure sensor can only be removed using a wrench. The installation method for the rear tire pressure sensor is also the same. After installation, the recorder's video interface will display tire temperature and tire pressure on the right side. About the tire pressure pairing method. In the recording interface, short press the OK button, short press the power button, short press the up-down buttons. To locate the tire pressure pairing option, short press the OK button. To enter the tire pressure device information page, the device numbers are displayed normally, indicating that the tire pressure sensors are successfully connected. If the device numbers are not displayed normally, or if you need to repair the tire pressure sensors. At this point, repair the tire pressure. First, unscrew the cover of the tire pressure sensor, remove the button battery. Wait for about 5 seconds, then install the button battery. At this point, the host can recognize the tire pressure sensor. Finally, tighten the cover. The process for repairing the rear tire pressure is the same.